of knowledge than any other that has been bequeathed to us by humans since Veni Tetras. Maths is the language of the universe. The more equations you know, the more you can converse with the cosmos. Welcome you all to the Maths Week celebration by the Gonzagans. Maths Week is celebrated every year to commemorate the National Day of Mathematics in the memory of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan on 22nd December. It was on this day that the Indian mathematician Ramanujan was born. He was born to a Tamilian Brahmin family at Erode. The former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh on February 26, 2012 declared 22nd December as the National Day of Mathematics to mark the mathematician's birth anniversary and to recognize his works. And this day motivates all the youth towards maths. Prayer is the key to heaven. Always pray to our eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives everyone, a mind that forgets the worst, and a soul that never loses faith in God. Keeping these emotions in our heart, let us invoke God's blessings on all of us through a prayer.
Dear Lord, we thank you 100-fold for the love and care that you have given to us. May we, in return to your good works, multiply it with love and respect. Add more faith, subtract the unworthy behavior and evil works. But divide your given talents to others. And to sum it all, we may be united as one in your family. Life is indeed your favorite mathematical problem. Perfect your internal computation, and we, a minuscule projection, give thanks and praise to your Almighty Creator. Amen.
Mathematics is the study of numbers and how they are related to each other and the real world. Mathematics is as important as language. In fact, everyone uses mathematics to tell time, to play, to cook, to build things and to do almost any kind of work. So now, here is Malavika Nambiar of class 10 to give us the significance of mathematics.
Mathematics is a fundamental part of human thought and logic and integral to attempts at understanding the world and ourselves. Mathematics provides an effective way of building mental discipline and encourages logical reasoning and mental rigor. In addition, mathematical knowledge plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other subjects such as science and social science and even music and art. Mathematics is at the center of our culture and its history is often confused with that of philosophy. Just as the cosmological and evolution theories have exerted considerable influence on the conception that humans have of ourselves, the non-Euclidean geometries have allowed new ideas about the universe, and theorems of mathematical logic have revealed the limitations of the deductive method. Mathematics has a number of very useful benefits to our mind if we go into its study. It develops our reasoning, helps us to have analytical thinking, quickens our mind, generates practicality, and also its use can be applied in the day-to-day life. And last but not the least, it is because of mathematics we can explain how things work. That is, we can explain our thoughts and ideas with clarity, coherence, and precision. I would like to end by quoting these famous lines. Pure mathematics in its own is the poetry of logical ideas. Thank you.
Thank you, Malavika. It was truly informative. Mathematics plays a major role in a child's development and helps a child to make sense of the world around them. At a very small age, children begin to explore patterns and shapes, compare sizes, and count objects. So now, here are the little Tots who are going to speak about maths in their own words.
Hello everyone. We have counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, let's see some additions on these counting numbers. Here we have 5 stars and 4 stars. What is 5 plus 4? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. This is the addition of counting numbers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As we know, time is very precious. Even our teacher says don't waste time. We should finish our work on time. But how do we see time? Yes, we always look at the clock. Here I am a clock. My face is called dial. I have numbers from 1 to 12. I have 3 hands. 1 hour's hand, 1 minute hand, 1 second hand. It's time for play, it's time for work. It's time for play, it's time for work. It sings throughout the day. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Sharva, but today I'm going to tell you about 3 facts about the 9 times table. Moving on to the fact number 1. The fact number 1 of 9 times table says that the 2 digits of the product, if we add it up, it always equals to 9. Example, 9 into 4 is equal to 36 and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Moving on to the fact number 2. The fact number 2 of 9 times table says that the multiplier minus 1 is equal to the first digit of the product. Example, 9 into 4. 4 is a multiplier then. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 is the first digit of the product. So if you want to know the second digit of the product, just apply the fact 1. So 3 plus how much is equal to 9? 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So 6 is the second digit. Moving on to the fact number 3. The first digit of the product always goes in ascending order and the second digit of the product goes in descending order. That's why multiplication rocks. Thank you friends.
Hello, my name is Panshul from class 3A. Today I am going to talk about fractions. Fractions are equal parts of a whole. A complete or a full object is a whole. There are different types of fractions. Proper fraction is a fraction where the denominator is greater than the numerator. For example, 1 by 4. Improper fraction. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. It is also called as the mixed fraction.
Maths is math. Maths is math. Learning maths is fun. Learning maths is fun. Maths is king of science. Maths is king of songs. Maths is always true. Maths is always true. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division and division. Maths is very interesting. Maths is very exact. I love maths. I love maths. Maths is very interesting. Maths is very exciting. I love maths. I love maths. Learn with joy. Learn with joy.
Some math facts. Archimedes is known as the father of mathematics. 4 is the only number in English language that is spelled with the same number of letters as the number itself. Every odd number has an E in it. Baking is mathematical and delicious. To make the perfect sugar cookie, follow a simple ratio of 3:2:1. The word 100 comes from the Old Norse term 100, which actually means 120 and not 100. Aryabhatta is the father of Indian mathematics.
Thank you, little ones. It was adorable indeed. There is math in the humming of strings. There is music in the spacing of the spheres, says Pythagoras. A musical rhythm is a mathematical pattern. There are strong connections between music and mathematics. They both work in patterns, sequences, and repetitions. So now let's enjoy a melodious math song by the students of class 10.
Have to do my maths when the numbers start to grow. Me and my friends at the table doing sums, working fast, I used to be slow.
Come over and try lining up the columns with me. Trust me, just give it a chance. Now take a pencil, a pen, put Dr. 10 in the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like,
girl, you know I love these songs. Columns were handmade, best for funny like me. Coming off on my lead, I am not crazy, you will see. Say boy, we've struggled far too much, running and compensating, adding in parts. Coming off, follow my lead, coming off, follow my lead.
I am using these values, ones and tens and hundreds too.
It's so easy, yes it's true. Now it's easy for me too. In my brain there is no more room to see patterns shining through. Every day discovering something brand new. See the maths that I can do. Why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Every day discovering something brand new. Maths is easy, yes it's true.
We'll work on addition, come on. We'll work on subtractions, come on. And multiplications, come on. Don't forget division, come on. We'll work on additions, come on. We'll work on subtractions, come on. And multiplications, come on. Don't forget divisions, come on. I have mastered place values, ones and tens and hundreds too. It's so easy, yes it's true. Now it's easy for me too.
in my brain there is no more room
To see patterns shining through. Every day discovering something brand new.
See the maths that I can do.
Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why. See the maths that I can do. Every day discovering something brand new. Maths is easy, yes it's true.
Thank you, friends, for the beautiful song. Math is the rule for everything. It is a subject loved by many. Mathematical activities are more exciting than any other. They are filled with lots of fun and excitement. So let's listen to students of class 6 and 8 sharing their experiences about mathematical activities.
Hello everyone, I am Rishon Dsouza, student of class 6C. I will show you all small craft on symmetry. Before we go ahead, let me define symmetry. Symmetry. An object is symmetrical when it is exactly the same on both the sides. Let me show you all how to do a simple symmetrical craft. Take a sheet of craft paper, a pencil, a scale and a pair of scissors. Fold the paper. Cut the sheet into half. Fold it this way. Draw a design. Cut according to the design drawn. You will get a beautiful pattern.
Art and maths may seem to be very different things, however, they are very closely related. This shows the utility of mathematics in everyday life as well as its beauty. While one is an exact science and another an artistic endeavor, People who enjoy mathematics tend to look maths in art. They want to see patterns, angles, lines, measurements, perspective. Geometric art is made of geometric elements such as lines, angles, measurements, shapes, etc. Throughout Indian history and culture, we can see touches of geometrical art. Regular geometric pattern can be seen in adorned marble floorings, window grills, and balcony railings. Ellora architecture is one of a kind, marvelous example for geometrical patterns. In this drawing, I have used squares to form diamond shapes over here. This pattern is known as the Chettinad tile architecture.
Thank you friends for sharing your wonderful experiences with us. Vedic math is a very important tool for making calculations easy. It helps us understand calculations from different perspectives and shortens the time duration of doing calculations. It helps us during examinations. Here is Aaryan Shrivastav of class 10 to teach us a few Vedic math tricks.
Hello, my name is Aaryan Shrivastav and I am here with the easy Vedic maths trick for you to multiply any number with 5. If you are multiplying an even number, divide the number by 2 and then add an extra 0 at the end of the number. That is your product. If you are multiplying an odd number by 5, then divide that number by 2. Remove the decimal point from the answer. The number you get is the end product. I hope you find this trick interesting and hope multiplying is easier for you. Thank you.
Thank you Aaryan for exposing us to the fabulous tricks. I hope it will help each and everyone to get calculations done easier and faster. Dancing is more than just moving our body. It's a pathway to express the deepest inner thoughts, says Lord Mishelle. Have you ever seen a shape dance? I know you will not be able to take your eyes away from it. So stay tuned to watch a beautiful shape dance by the students of class 7.
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. A circle is round like the moon in the sky, or a wheel, or a clock, or the iris of your eye. A circle is forever, no beginning and no end. Can you spot the circle? Spot the circle now, my friend. Circle. Where's the circle? Good job. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. A square is a shape with 4 straight sides. Every side the same and every angle right. Like a box or a table or the seat of a chair. But where is it hiding? Tell me, can you spot the square? Square! Where's the square? Great! This is a triangle here for you to see. Can you count the sides up? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like a wedge or the face of an ancient pyramid. A triangle is in there. Tell me, can you find it, kids? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Good one. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A rectangle's a shape like
or a door. Every side a straight line, count them, there are four. A picture frame, computer screen, a book to name a few. A rectangle is in there playing hide and seek with you. Rectangle! Where's the rectangle? Right!
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
Thank you, friends, for the mesmerizing performance. Our great leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to take tough decisions, and a compassion to listen to the needs of others. They don't set out to be a great leader, but to make a great difference. So here is our Reverend Father, Melon Alan Lobo Estate, with his inspiring message.
Dear students, you all had week-long mathematics week filled with various activities. I am sure all of you enjoyed the mathematics week. As we are celebrating the mathematics week, I wish you all begin to love maths as it is an exciting subject. Maths is not just an abstract concept, but it is very much practical. It is needed for our life. Many things that we do require mathematical calculation. Besides, we can plan greater things when we have mathematical understanding. Mathematics is very much needed for the progress of the society and humanity. Today we speak of data-driven progress. Let us learn maths, enjoy maths, and make use of it for the betterment of our life and the life of others. I thank all the maths teachers for conducting the mathematics weeks with a variety of activities. I congratulate also all the students who have participated in it. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your motivating and inspiring words. To instill the sense of mathematics in the minds of youngsters, our school has conducted various activities during the Maths Week. Here is a glimpse of such activities. mathematics in our lives and that every problem has a solution. I would like to conclude by saying, add the opportunities, subtract the errors, multiply the victories, divide the obstacles, integrate your caliber, differentiate your weakness, inverse your destiny and simplify your struggles to solve your life. Thank you.